Hello everyone, welcome to sdschessworld and I hope you are doing well. It's time for chess puzzle, but before going to it, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel and show your support. It will notify you whenever I post a new video. Now you have done that, let's go for the puzzle. Here black king is smothered in the center because it is covered with these white pawns which are really dangerous for it, also these two knights. And white king is safe in the corner. And good news is it's white's move and there is a beautiful 11 move for checkmate is available for white. So 11 moves are quite long enough, but this puzzle is really interesting because I found it on chess.com, and if you has chess.com account then you will know about this puzzle. So let's go ahead and try to solve this puzzle. I hope you have find this. If yes, then congrats, and if you want more time then go ahead and pause the video here and take your time. Let's see the solution here. First move is knight to c2 and it's check. As you know, this knight is taking this square, pawn is taking this square, this knight is taking this square, also this pawn on b2 is taking this c3 square, and this pawn on c4 is taking this b5 and d5 square. So king has only one square to go, that is king to c5, and after this there is a very beautiful move, that is bishop to g1. And as you can see here, if black take this bishop on g2, then this knight to d3 is going to be a checkmate. So black definitely don't go for it. Black will definitely take this c4 pawn because it is really dangerous. It is covering this 2 square. Also, if this knight is taking this pawn on this c4, then the black has this escape route here. So next move is black is taking this pawn on c4 with the knight, and after this we won't take this knight with the pawn. We will go for knight to e4 check, and this is double check because this knight is giving the check, also this bishop is giving this check. So this king have to be moved. Then king has only one square and it will move to king to b5, and after this another interesting move, that is knight to c3, and you can see black can move on this c5 square because of this bishop, and also king have only 2 square to go, that is either on a5 or a6. Black king will go on a5 square, after this b4 and it's check. So king have to move to a6 and pawn to b5, it's check. So king can't take this pawn because of knight is protecting it. So c takes on b5, and after this knight to b4 and it's check. By sacrificing pawn on b5, we have smothered the black king because these two pawns are restricting the movement of king. Also white king is restricting this 2 square. Also this knight on c3 is guarding a4 square. So king has only 2 square to move, that is a6 and a5, and here is check, so king will move, and here is check, so king will move on a5. After this knight to c6 and it's check, since knight on c3 is covering this a4 square, also this knight on c6 is covering this b4 square. So king have to move back on a6. As you can see, if we push this pawn on b4 and after that this knight to b8 is going to be a checkmate. But if we do this mistake, that is b4, then it's going to be a very disaster for white because this queen takes on f3 is going to be dangerous because it is pinning this knight now, and white king can't move on these 2 squares, so either of the knight is going to be a fall. so we won't go for that move. Here we will go for this knight to d5, and after this knight to d5, what we are doing, we are sacrificing our knight. Also we are restricting this move. If here queen takes the f3 pawn, still this move is unstoppable, and if queen takes any of this material, then this next move, knight to let's say if queen takes this pawn, then this knight to c7 is going to be a checkmate. So this knight must be taken. So pawn takes on d5, and after this we will push this b4 pawn, and definitely black will resign because there is no move to stop this checkmate by this knight to b8. Black have to move, so black will move any of the move like this d4 and knight to b8 is checkmate. Knight is giving this check, pawn is covering this square, also king is covering this 2 square, and black own pawn are covering this 2 square. So it is really nice checkmate, and I have named this video that is this helpless queen because this queen is not doing anything because of the white's great move and continuous checks. So these are force move by white, and definitely it's a really good puzzle because black has this queen and the knight, but they are helpless here, and this bishop on this g2 square is still not doing anything, but black can take this bishop. Also these two knights done a great job here. So really nice puzzle. I hope you like it. If you like it, then go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. It will notify you whenever I post a new video. Also you can go ahead and join me on Facebook, Google+, Twitter. Just you have to search sdschessworld. You can watch my previous videos here. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you in the next one.